Now that you've gotten your kit home, you might be wondering how to use it. This video is going to show you a couple tricks and tips to get you started.
Inside every Young Living bottle, there are two holes. The first hole, which most people think the oil comes out of, is actually the air hole. The hole where the oils actually come out is called the dram hole, and it is located right here. It's a very small hole. If you find when you're pouring your oils that they're just not coming out, you probably have your bottle rotated to the wrong side. Just slightly rotate your bottle and the oils will begin to come out.
Each time before you use your diffuser, you're going to want to clean it out. If there's a buildup of essential oil, you'll also want to use some rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Just put a little bit on your paper towel, and then clean it thoroughly on the inside. Pay special attention to the little silver dial thingy in the bottom. That's where all the buildup actually happens and where the diffuser actually flows from. So you're going to want to make sure that's nice and clean. After you've cleaned your diffuser, it's time to fill it up. Today we're going to use Valor. It's great for stress, anxiety, and sleep, and I also like to use it as a perfume. In your diffuser, you can use 8 to 10 drops, just depending on how strong the oil is. Today we're just going to do 8. Now your diffuser comes with a couple different settings. If you push the button once, it activates the diffuser and it starts misting out the top. You know that it's working. This function lasts for approximately 5 to 6 hours. If you push it 2 times, this is the low setting, and it'll go a little bit longer for 8 hours. If you push it 3 times, it goes on intermittent, which is 1 minute on, 1 minute off. And this is the best value because it lasts for 10 hours and it'll help you kind of utilize your oils so that they last longer. Your diffuser also comes with several light functions. The first one is a bright white light that automatically comes on. If you push your secondary button over here, again, it goes to a dim white light. Another time is going to be the candle mode, which is my personal favorite. And then one more time, which is a total of 3 pushes, we'll go cycling through all the colors every 5 seconds. See how it just changed from red to orange? Then you can also just cycle through to whatever color you want. And there are several. Push and hold this secondary button on the left and the light will go off and the diffuser will continue to run. Besides diffusing oils, you're also going to want to have some supplies on hand to make some DIY projects so you can use them. The first thing you're going to need is some carrier oils. Now, Young Living does have a V6 carrier oil that you can purchase from them, but I've gotten some of these from Amazon. The first one I have here is a coconut oil and an almond oil, and these are both great universal oils that you can use for just about any purpose. I also have this smaller bottle of rosehip oil, which I use on my face. It's great for not clogging your pores and helping you not to get acne. Then there's some other things that you're going to need. You're going to need some bottles to put your projects in. So here's a little spray bottle that you can buy. This is a larger spray bottle that I use for like cleaning supplies, like my thieves cleaner. And then here are some roller bottles. And this is probably where you're going to use the most is the roller bottles. They come in all different varieties. Most common one is this amber brown color. And then I have some prettier versions here. There's a rainbow one and also one with little rocks inside. This one has a bamboo top as well. So they're really pretty. All right, to make your first roller bottle, you're going to need the oil like I talked about, a roller, and then the oils of your choice. This is a 10 ml roller, and I'm going to put 21 drops inside this one, just because I like mine strong.
Contact me with any questions you might have about your oils. And from my family to yours, happy oiling.